Ice bombs, it's just a neat way to say large hail. It does sound very ominous, but as you could guess, a very large ball of ice could almost be considered a huge bomb. With thunderstorms developing in the spring and fall months, when you get those huge contrasts between air masses, the warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico and that cold, dry air coming in from Canada, that will create your thunderstorms. And if you have very strong updrafts within those thunderstorms, you can create huge balls of ice. But again, a bomb of ice or an ice bomb is typically coming from thunderstorms with big updrafts, and these updrafts can get over 100 miles per hour at times. For example, a softball-sized hail needs over 100 mile per hour winds to keep a hailstone aloft long enough to grow to that size. Not very common. Again, typically a thunderstorm can produce hail, but severe thunderstorm warnings aren't issued until those hailstones get about 1 inch or greater. And then at that point, you'll start to see those hailstones develop with those very strong updrafts, again exceeding 100 miles per hour. Then that's when you get into the very large hailstones. Ice bombs can get as large as 7 inches. That was the greatest or the biggest hailstone ever recorded in the United States in Aurora, Nebraska on June 22nd of 2003. Ice bombs can be very deadly. If you could imagine 2 to 3 pounds of ice coming out of the sky at around 100 miles per hour, if that were to hit you, it would not feel good. You should be seeking shelter immediately. Try to find a sturdy shelter and stay away from windows. And not only do severe thunderstorms produce large hail, they can also produce gusty winds and also tornadoes. Typically, hailstorms cause $1 billion worth of damage annually to the United States, and that is to crops, to buildings, to cars, even to people.